So we'll start with a good posture. Feet hip width, knees relaxed, hips in line, shoulders back and down. Imagine that string from the crown up towards the sky. Place one hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose, aiming the in-breath to the lower hand. So bring the right arm up and we'll inhale, exhale over to the left. And swap the arms over. Inhale, exhale to the right. So swap again. Inhale, exhale over, only as far as feels comfortable. Come back to the middle, swap the arms. Inhale, exhale over. So swap again, make sure you come center. Inhale and exhale. Come back to center. Inhale and exhale. And we'll bring that arm down. So we're doing the extended forward bend. So inhale, lengthen the arms up. Exhale, reaching forward as far as you can, and then dropping the head down. Inhale there, and exhale, roll on up through the spine. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, forwards to wherever you get to. Inhale there, and exhale, roll back up. So again, inhale, exhale, lengthen forwards, then drop the head. Inhale, exhale, come back to standing. If you feel okay, we'll do two more. Inhale, lengthen up. Exhale, reaching forwards. Aiming the crown of the head towards the ground. Inhale at the bottom, then exhale to standing. Last one. Inhale, exhale. Inhale there. Exhale, come back to standing. Alright, so we'll do a few neck exercises. So inhale first, then exhale, slowly turn the head to the left. Inhale back to the middle, exhale slowly to the right. And again, so inhale center, exhale left. Inhale center, exhale right. Inhale back to center. Now drop the left ear towards the shoulder without lifting the shoulder. And come back to the middle and then over to the other side. So just notice if one side feels tighter than the other. And back to the middle. So again, dropping that left ear towards the shoulder. We're not trying to get them to meet, it's just that direction. Back to the middle, and again, onto the right side. And back to center. And we'll inhale, exhale, chin to chest. Inhale up, exhale, carefully drop the head back. Inhale, bring the head up. Exhale, chin to chest. Inhale up. Exhale, drop the head back. Inhale, back to center. Now squeeze the shoulders right up towards the ears. Then lengthen the arms down towards the ground. Again, squeeze as much as you can. And lengthen the arms. One more squeeze. And then drop the shoulders away from the ears. And relax the shoulders. We'll go through the movements once each way. So inhale, exhale, turn to the left. Inhale, center. Exhale, turn to the right. Now inhale, center. Exhale, tilt to the left. Inhale up. Exhale, tilt to the right. Inhale, center. Exhale, chin to chest. Inhale up. Exhale, drop the head back. Inhale, back to center. Alright, balance pose. We'll do warrior 3. Just one on each side. We're standing on the right leg. Bring that left leg up. Bring the body forwards. Aiming to get the body parallel to the ground, the back flat, head in line with the spine. Once you feel steady, try and lift the leg up to hip height, pointing the toes down. So you can either stay there or try and bring the arms forwards, maybe even bring the palms together. So remember, just working on your pose wherever you're at. So coming down and do the other side. So standing on that left leg, bring the right leg up. Bring the body down, parallel to the ground. So get the balance there. Then start lifting that leg if you can. Flex the foot so the toes are pointing down and the hips are in line. And then maybe bring the arms forwards, palms together, lengthening from the fingertips to the back heel. And coming down. This standing pose, we'll do triangle pose, starting with the legs nice and wide. And we'll turn that right foot 90 degrees. That left foot slightly angled. Body facing forwards. And inhale. Exhale to the right. Bring the right arm down, left arm up. Remember that sheet of glass in front and behind. Come back to the middle. We'll inhale. And exhale. You may be able to go a bit further, but try not to twist the body. Keep the body in that one plane. And coming back up. We'll do one more this side. So inhale. Exhale. Reach as far as you can. Remember, nothing should hurt. If it feels okay, look up to the hand. And breathe. And inhale up, back to standing, and we'll turn the feet around. So we'll get set up, shoulders above the hips. Inhale. So exhale, nice and easy for the first one. Just notice how the body feels. Back to center. Inhale, exhale, maybe a little further. And come in center. We'll inhale, exhale, reach as far as we can. Lengthen up through the arms. So make sure you're not holding on to the breath. Inhale up, and then finish with the good posture and the breathing. So shoulders back and down, crown to the sky, chin parallel to the ground, one hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose. So just see if you can feel the heartbeat. And just notice if the breathing slows down. And we'll bring the arms down. And we're all done.